Welcome to another explainer video / tutorial with Professor Esther Dillard, where I try to keep it simple. Today's topic is how to connect your smartphone to your Google Drive and why that's so important. And I'm going to tell you how to do it in less than 3 minutes. First, you have to be sure that you have a Gmail account, and that is free. All you need to do is go to gmail.com and set it up. You'll have to sign up for an email. You'll have to select a password you can remember. And when you have this Gmail account, you'll have access to the Google Drive. And it'll be your own personal Google Drive where you can save documents, videos, photos, as well as create a YouTube account if you want to. Now you need to go to your smartphone or your iPhone and find the App Store. Search for Google Drive and download it. When you've finished downloading it, open it up, sign in with your Gmail account information. Somewhere along the line, the app will ask if you have permission to access your information and your photos. You have to click the button to agree. This is going to allow you to upload manually or automatically upload your photos, your video, or your audio, or whatever you'd like to save to your Google Drive. If you want to automatically upload your photos and your videos, just go to the Settings tab, turn on the button that allows the app to upload your photos periodically to the cloud, and then you can get them a lot quicker when you need them. Just be sure to choose the right option that is best for you. Well, if you'd like more tutorials or explainer videos from me, Professor Esther Dillard, please be sure to hit that button down below to subscribe. That way I know that you'd like more content from me. Also, leave any questions or suggestions on software or camera operation or audio operation or anything that you'd like explained quickly and easily from me. And I'll try to do it for you in 3 minutes or less.